Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sync audio and video in the Instagram Edits app. All right, for example, I'm going to create a new project right here just for you to see. I'm going to select this video of mine singing. Okay. Now let's say, for example, I'm going to detach the audio from this clip as it will represent as an audio that you import or you have selected in the Edits music library. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on extract audio. And here we have the audio itself. Let's say, for example, this audio right here. All right. So, for example, I'm going to add in another clip right here. Okay. I'm going to tap the plus sign and hit on gallery. I'm going to add in some random video right here. Now, let's say, for example, that my music is currently in this section. All right. It's pretty off. And my mouth and the audio right here should not sync. Okay. The way to fix that is that you're going to want to tap on the audio itself to make it highlighted. Now go ahead and tap and hold. Now drag it until you find the sweet spot. Okay? That's basically how you do it. Just drag it and find the sweet spot. I'm going to play it for you. Now it's synced. That's basically how you sync audio and video in the Edits app. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.